Chamfers add or remove material by creating a beveled surface between adjacent surfaces of a selected edge. Start the chamfer tool from the engineering group and then select the edge you wish to chamfer. Notice that this chamfer is removing material from the model. Also notice that, like a round feature, a chamfer is applied to all edges tangent to the selected edge. A single chamfer can be applied to more than one surface, reducing the features in your model. Select your first edge, then use the Control key to select the second. This chamfer is now applied to two edges of the model and is both removing and adding material. In just a few clicks, chamfers enable you to easily break sharp corners on interior and exterior edges of your design.